If you want to limit your maximum charge to 80% on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to your battery tab, open up your battery tab and choose your battery protection option. Open it up, so here you can see different settings such as basic. When your battery is charged to 100%, charger will stop until the battery level drops to 95%. Adaptive, which stops charging at 80% while you're asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. That's what we need. Or maximum, your battery will start charging when it reaches 80%, and you can set it up from 80% to 95% by using this scale. So choose the desirable option, and basically that's it. Don't forget to turn on your battery protection mode. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.